Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're exploring a word that's not just practical but also tied to creativity and memories: album. That's right, today's word is album, a B1 level noun that means a collection of songs or photos in a book or record. An album can take many forms. It could be a photo album, where people store treasured pictures from vacations, birthdays, or special moments. It might also refer to a music album, a compilation of songs by an artist or band, often with a unifying theme or story. For example, her debut album topped the charts this year, or he flipped through his family's photo album and reminisced about childhood. If we're looking for synonyms, words like collection, compilation, or anthology might work, depending on the context. For instance, the band released a new compilation of their greatest hits, or she organized her photography into an anthology for the exhibit. On the flip side, antonyms would describe something singular or unorganized, like single or fragment. For example, the artist released a new single instead of a full album, or he found a fragment of an old photo, but not the entire album. In everyday life, album pops up quite often. Maybe you're talking about a favorite artist's latest release, like Taylor Swift's new album has everyone talking. Or you might hear it when organizing memories. Let's make a wedding photo album so we can look back on the day. It's a word that connects to both creativity and nostalgia. Here are a few more examples to bring the word to life. They spent hours designing a scrapbook album for their friend's baby shower. The Beatles' album, Abbey Road, is a timeless classic. She uploaded a digital album of her trip to Paris online. To sum it up, album is a versatile word that captures both artistry and memories. Whether it's a collection of songs or photos, it brings together moments and creativity in a tangible way. Thank you for joining me today on Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. It really helps others discover the show. I'd love to hear your examples using album, so create your own sentence and share it in the comments. Let's keep building our English skills together. Until next time, I'm Alex, and this is Hello Word. See you soon.